Hi, my name is Leslie Blanchard, and today I'm going to talk to you about why testing on animals should be banned. 72% of Americans say they are against animal testing. Regardless of this high number, the US ranked third out of all the world's countries who still perform testing on animals. Despite being banned in many countries, and with the availability of alternative testing, animal testing is still legal here in the US. Today I'm going to talk to you about animal testing. I'm going to inform you why it should be banned, and I'm going to share some research and some statistics as to why it's not only inhumane and cruel, but how it has a low accuracy rate and it's very expensive. First of all, millions of animals are used and killed in the name of progress every year. They are being tested solely for the effects that cosmetics, perfume, pharmaceutical drugs, and even household goods have on us humans. Many of these tests involve putting potential irritants on animals' shaved skin and even in their eyes. Rabbits, guinea pigs, hamsters, mice, and rats are blinded, poisoned, and even killed for nothing more than to test new products. 50% of animals are killed off by design just to satisfy certain lethal dose tests. According to the USDA, the United States Department of Agriculture, only about 750,000 animal species, mainly domestic, are protected under the Animal Welfare Act. Sadly, a staggering 20 million species, including rats, mice, fish, birds, and invertebrates, are not covered by this act that protects wildlife here in the US. We need to be their voices. Not only is testing cruel, it is also only about 65% accurate in predicting toxicity in humans. The USDA says that in the US, 92% of all drug tests shown to be safe and effective in animal testing fails in human trials. The drugs just don't work or they're dangerous. Cruelty and inaccurate test results are just the beginning of why animal testing should be banned. It's also very expensive. According to PETA, People for Ethical Treatment of Animals, more than $16 billion of taxpayer money is spent on animal experimentation by the US government each year. Nowhere on the voting ballot did I see that this was even a thing. Did you? We weren't even given a choice. Another reason to ban testing on animals is that there are more than 40 alternative viable tests that don't use animals. These alternative tests are often cheaper, quicker, and more effective. These include using the following: human cell cultures that have been grown inside laboratories, human tissue that has been voluntarily donated, computer models and variation of various human organs used to conduct virtual experiments, and volunteer studies on humans. The good news is that more and more companies are beginning to disassociate themselves with testing on animals. Research shows that PETA says that over 5,000 companies claiming to be cruelty-free do not test on animals. They do not conduct or commission animal testing. They only use new ingredients to test when humans' safety can be tested without the use of animals. And they do not sell their products to countries where animal testing is required by law. 4 nations have already banned the sale of products tested on animals. They're Europe, India, Israel, and Norway. We still have a long way to go. Only 32 out of 196 countries have banned cosmetic testing on animals. 80% of the world still allow animals such as rabbits and guinea pigs to be tested on. After all this, there is hope in sight. With the help of organizations like PETA, Cruelty Free International, and Change.org, we have and will continue to have advocates to promote the banning of animal testing around the world. You too can do your part by sharing the information you heard here today. By being the animals' voices, hopefully we all can spread the word to help end their suffering. Thank you very much for listening. You have a very nice day.